Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today we are going to be going over my income for the week. I am a server. I make $2.13 an hour plus tips. So we're going to count up all those tips and then figure out our budget for the week. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and we're going to get into it. All right, y'all, first off, I want to apologize if you hear any thundering and raining outside. It is a crazy storm brewing, but I just wanted to go ahead and take this time to get my video done, seeing as I can't be outside. So I personally think thunderstorms and lightning storms are kind of calming in a weird way. Anybody else? Anyways, let's go ahead and count up our tips for the week. Now, I've said it before in my previous videos, but my husband was out of town last week. He came home Monday night, so my schedule was all out of place. I decided to pretty much work only morning shifts last week. And that was just because it would be easier for me to take care of the dogs and keep them on their normal routine. And, you know, it just is what I figured would be best for us this week. So that means I did not make any money. Y'all, I worked 6 days this week and I did not make a lot of money pretty much any of the days. So we're gonna go over it. This is just one of those things with being a server. You don't know what you're bringing home. Sometimes mornings are good. Sometimes I bring in, you know, I'd say a normal is about $75 to $100. This week, not so much. So let's just go ahead and get into counting up all these tips and we'll talk about it. So, first shift I worked was actually Monday night. This is the only night shift I worked, and I wasn't even serving. I was a food runner, so I was the person, you know, running out all the food to all my table, all of the servers' tables, and I get tipped out by the servers when I do that. So I made $20, $40, $50, $55 Monday night. Okay, and now everything else is going to be mornings. So I worked Wednesday and I made $20, $40, $60, $61, $62, $63, $64 on Wednesday. Thursday I made $20, $40, $45, $50, $51, $52, $53, $54, $55, $56, $57, $58. This would be Friday. Y'all. Friday, I made 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I made 115 on Friday. And this was actually the busiest morning this week. It was not busy at all. So that's the most I made this week, 115. Saturday morning, I don't know what's going on, y'all. Saturday was so slow, and I don't know, it's always slow like towards the end of May, like kind of like after spring break, before all of our like public schools let out. It's just always slow these last couple weeks of May, and it showed on Saturday. I made 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So I made $34 for like, I think it was like a 4.5 hour shift. Not great, not great. Sunday, I made 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. So 63 on Sunday. Now, let's go ahead and count. Ooh, that was a good, I don't know if y'all can hear that. Did you hear that thunder? I love it. Anyway, so for the week, let's go ahead and count this. Made 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. So that is 280, 290, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So that is 365, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Whew. 389. I feel like that might be off. Hold on. I had it written down that I made 393. So let me double check and recount. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 280, 290, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Nope, I made 389. So let's get to figuring this out. So 389, y'all, that is not a lot to work with for us. So I am not going to be stuffing anything towards bills. I'm not even gonna go ahead and put money aside for taxes this week. We're just gonna do the bare bones. We are just gonna stuff our cash envelopes. I'm not going to be stuffing any sinking funds, savings challenges. We are literally just gonna stuff what we have to this week. The only thing on here that I'm gonna add is gonna be the gym membership, and that's pretty much a bill that we do have to stuff. Whoops, and I don't know how much is currently in there. Let's see, in the gym, we've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay. So there's 29 already in there. Okay, so I'm only including that one because that comes out bi-weekly, and that is a bill that I am responsible for, and it's only $10, so we're going to put that there. So let's just keep track of everything. 389 minus 10, we have 379 left to work with. I am still going to give myself and my husband $25 a piece. All right, let's see, groceries. Now, because my husband was out of town, we didn't get groceries before he left, and then I only got pretty much what I needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do our $200 amount because I know we're gonna need it. So we have $129 left to work with. I am gonna put $50 towards gas because I do know that my husband's trip, he had to fill up numerous times, so we're already behind on where we should be for gas. So I'm gonna do $50 there. Pet care, I'm going to do $40. And we are left with $39 for the rest of us. Now, I am going to go ahead and just do 20 towards dining. We probably won't use this. I've got a crazy schedule this week with work, and I have to help my mom out with stuff, so no, nothing really there. We're probably not going out, but I'll put $20 there. I'll do $10 towards fun, and then $9 towards miscellaneous. And that's pretty much where I'm going with all this week. You know, that is a very low income for me, especially seeing, y'all, I worked 6 days last week. Like, most of them were not very long shifts, but still, like, I got up, I drove to work, like, $389. That's probably one of the worst weeks I've had in a long, long time. But we're gonna make it work. We are gonna make it work, and make sure you come back on Thursday when I'm gonna go ahead and stuff all of our cash envelopes. But that's it for today, y'all. Just go ahead and stay tuned for Wednesday's video. We'll kind of talk a little bit there about what this next week is looking like, and then we'll have our normal video on Sunday where we're gonna go over all of my husband's expenses for his trip, along with whatever other expenses we come across this week. So stay tuned for those videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.